welcome back to my channel. Win's Life here. I'm having shrimp and pasta. I'm going to use the thin spaghetti noodles. I actually wanted like a linguine noodles, but I do not have some. So I'm just going to use these spaghetti noodles. If you have linguine noodles or any kind of noodles that you want to use, whatever is your favorite noodles will do with this dish. So for our ingredients, I have the shrimp. These are the pink shrimp, and they're really big, so I just cut it in half because they're big pieces. And then of course we have the noodles, the spaghetti noodles. Again, you can use any kind of noodles. I'm gonna need lots of butter because the dish for tonight, I'm going to call it lemon butter shrimp with spaghetti noodles. And of course, because I said lemon butter, I have lemon right here, one whole lemon. And if there's not a lot of juice, I'm gonna use one more, probably half more lemon. And then I have lots of garlic. Garlic, guys, lots of garlic. I'm going to actually kind of look like I'm going to make like kind of like scampi type of dish. Scampi type of dish, but it's with lemon and of course the pasta. So because the scampi, that's just butter, garlic, and shrimp. So again, lemon, and then lots of garlic that I really minced it. And for garnish, we have green onions and tomatoes. Fresh tomato, guys. I just removed the seeds and cut it in small pieces because it's for garnish. We're not cooking this. We're gonna put it on top when everything is done. So for the seasonings, I have it right there. We have olive oil. We have the olive oil considered for seasoning. Salt and pepper, chicken powder, and garlic and onion powder. And did I miss anything else? I think that's about it. So now I'm boiling the water and we're going to put the noodles. I'm going to put just a little bit of salt. This is the pink Himalayan salt. I'm not going to break the noodles, guys. They said when you're cooking noodles, you're not supposed to break them in half. So ask me who are they? The expert, guys. Every time I tell Chris, they said, he always asks me, who are they? And my answer is the experts. And we're just gonna let this boil. And we're going to cook it al dente. Olive oil. And then the garlic, guys. And make sure the heat is not very hot so the garlic won't burn. And when the garlic is cooked, that's when I'm going to put the butter. Oh my, that smells so good. And I'm going to put the shrimp. And guys, this is really quick because you don't want to cook the shrimp for a long time. going to season it. Chicken powder, a little bit of salt, pepper, again I have it on medium heat. The onion powder, garlic powder, and I'm going to squeeze the lemon, and this lemon, guys, is seedless. Then we're going to put the noodles. Straight from the pan, no need to drain it. That's it, guys. I'm gonna turn the heat off. Then I'm going to put the tomatoes. We'll save this one for the garnish. And it is done. How quick. So guys, there's one more reason why I'm so excited to make this dish, because I'm going to use the platter that my sister got me for my pasalubong when we went to California, guys. She got me this, and it says made in Italy. So she got me this, and because I'm making shrimp and pasta, so I wish I have mussel. Maybe next time I will make pasta and mussels. This is the mussel, this is the shrimp. So Beth, I'm going to put this to use now. Thank you for your pasalubong. Pasalubong, guys, for the one who don't know what pasalubong means, it's like gift to somebody when you're coming from a different country, or when you're going to that country, you give them pasalubong. That's the word for today, pasalubong, which means gift. Thank you, Beth. And here it is, guys. Look how pretty, and it's so perfect, guys. I didn't realize that there's also lemon. There's lemon on this side also. So there's lemon, the shrimp, and the mussel. So now I am going to put the rest of the tomato and the green onions on top. How gorgeous is that, huh? See? Nice. And because there's already an image of the lemon there, I don't need to put real lemon on the side. Presenting the excitement in my mouth, the excitement to taste it. I'm so excited to have some. Always excited to have some of my cooking. So guys, if you do not eat shrimp, you can use chicken. Let us try. Whirl your pasta. Wow, that's a big bite. First bite, guys. It's very simple. Fresh garlic and the combination of the garlic powder together garlic and the butter. The lemon, I can add a little bit more lemon, squeeze a little bit more lemon. And it's better that way, guys, because if you put too much lemon, you cannot remove the lemon anymore. So this is actually perfect if for somebody that likes it a little bit more sour or more lemony flavor. It's perfect to squeeze more lemon. But you can taste everything, even just the garnish of the tomato and the green onion. It's perfectly combination with everything. Suzette, I wish you can be here right now and have this with me. She loves pasta. Very simple, very quick, very easy, but very delicious dish. So again, guys, if you don't eat shrimp, you can use chicken. Just cut it in small pieces, and maybe I will cook that one too sometime. But not this week, because as much as possible, I don't want to eat a lot of pasta for the whole week. So, but again, you can use also the linguine pasta or any kind of pasta that you like. But again, this is what I have in my pantry. But it turned out to be really, really good. So I don't know if there will be a difference of different pasta, but for me, I think almost all pasta tastes the same. It just absorbs whatever you put in it. So, but anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. And again, another delicious and easy meal, guys. And Beth, thank you for the platter. It is so perfect with this dish. Guys, if you are new to this channel, welcome to Win's Life. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel to be part of Win's Life family. And please, guys, don't forget to click the thumbs up button. It helps our video. And don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to click the notification bell so you'll get notified when I have a new video. And I appreciate all of you guys. Please try this recipe. You will love it. You won't regret it. So, thank you guys so much for watching. Bye for now.